nearly 10 years in the making, and for many in the MAGA movement, years too late. But today, former CIA Director John Brennan, former FBI Director James Comey, they reportedly find themselves under criminal investigation for potential wrongdoing in the Trump-Russia hoax. Joining us now, senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano. Judge, look, it's one thing to lie to the media, to lie to the general public. That's not against the law. But if you're being investigated for lying to Congress or possibly on like FISA court documents and warrants, that could be something else.
Well, of course it could. Falsifying a document or lying under oath or even lying to Congress not under oath is a crime. The problem that investigators confront here is that these events occurred in 2017. It's now 2025. The statute of limitations is 5 years. Do the math. So they're going to have to find some event that occurred within 5 years, A, in order to justify the investigation, and B, in order to persuade a grand jury to do something with it. If it's beyond the 5-year limitation, the only thing they can do is issue a report and expose and humiliate these guys, but they can't prosecute them.
The other problem I would see, and obviously you're the judge, is that if you're a prosecutor to show intent when you're dealing with classified information, would it not be easy for the CIA director and the FBI director to say, well, I couldn't share everything I know because it's classified, it's all these various things, and that's why I wasn't completely forthcoming with Congress? I mean, it makes great in a court of public opinion. Court of law could be something different.
Well, in a court of law, there is a federal statute that governs what secrets can be revealed and what secrets can't be revealed. There are circumstances under which secrets can be revealed just to the judge, not to a jury, even kept from the defendants. But the I had to keep it secret defense is a well-regarded, well-established defense in American jurisprudence that if they are ever indicted, and I can't figure out how they could be indicted because of that statute of limitations issue that I just mentioned, that would be, you're right on the mark, counselor. That would be one of their strongest defenses.
I only play a lawyer on TV. All right, so I do want to shift gears. So now it's been multiple days. Yesterday at the cabinet meeting, we saw it. DOJ, Attorney General Pam Bondi still having to answer questions about the Epstein case. So this is time both she and the president answering questions about it during Wednesday's meeting. In my experience, if you're a cabinet member and both the White House press secretary and the president are still talking about something you've done days later, that's cleanup. That's not good.
She's not in a good place. I don't know what the president is thinking, but he can't be very happy. I watched the tape. He was not happy having to jump in on the question that was put to her and answer it for her. And then when she insisted on answering it, he wasn't happy with the answer that she gave. Part of it is because she and Kash Patel and Dan Bongino, the latter two running the FBI, were pounding the table for this client list before they were in the government. Acknowledged that they had the list after they were in the government. Now suddenly say the list isn't there. This is upsetting to a lot of people. They want to know who among us was involved with Epstein. This is the tip of an iceberg. There's a lot of people who believe that Epstein was a foreign agent for Mossad and intentionally entrapped people down there in order to be able to hold their behavior down there over their head, otherwise known as blackmail. So the fact that this list doesn't exist after everybody said it was there, a federal judge ordered it released, the president ordered it released, now it's not around, people are not accepting that answer. And the blame, and I know her personally, so this is, I have no animosity toward her. You know her as well. But the blame is going to be put at the feet of the Attorney General.
Information. Truth. Is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.